there's the runt. There's the runt. There's two black ones over there. Baby bunnies. Baby bunnies for sale. Weighing only 2 ounces. Baby bunnies for sale. You could eat them in a bite. Just kidding. Oh, they're so chubby wubbies. Chubby wubbies. I can actually hold them, but because I'm holding the camera, I cannot right now. Oh, he has black ears, and this one has white ears. That one has brown ears, and that one has black ears.